So, hello everyone. It's a very special day today. As you all know that today the first round of verification process of MPTET level 1 is done. And the feeling after getting this work done cannot be described in words, literally. Today when I reached there at the verification center at the designated time and slot which was given to me, and I was present there. I went there along with my father, and when I reached there, the feeling was completely different for me, and not only for me but also for others, those who were present there. Why? What is the reason? The reason is that this achievement is achieved after years of struggle, after years of dedication, hard work. So that feeling, I don't think so either me or anyone or any candidate who got selected can describe in words. No, it's not possible. Now, why am I recording this late night video? The purpose of recording this late night video is to share my experience with you all, as there are many misconceptions on WhatsApp that people are saying that we have to carry these types of documents: income certificates, 12th class mark sheet, affidavit. No, not at all. At my center, what they asked, only the documents we uploaded on TRC portal. Those were the required documents there, and they asked for the same. So the documents which you will upload, which you have uploaded already till 19th of June, so those documents have to be carried. And remember one thing, that you all have to carry your original documents. Secondary, that you must carry your selection test result, as in my center they had asked that where is your selection test result, and I had my selection test result, so I had shown. And hardly the process would take 5 to 10 minutes for every candidate, so the time may vary as per the number of candidates at your center. So you may check on TRC portal the number of candidates, the number of teachers, those who would be going there for their verifications. So you may check, and then you may be ready according to as per your time slot. And I wish you all the very best once again. Teachers, this is really a remarkable achievement, and I pray to Almighty God that we must get our joining very soon in the first week or second week of July. So once again, I wish you all the very best for your process and for your future endeavors. Thank you.